The story of pharmaceuticals is old. It goes back centuries, tracing the evolution of medicine from the earliest human civilizations to the sophisticated practices we have today. People always looked for ways to heal. From the dawn of time, humans have sought out natural remedies to cure their ailments and improve their health. Early civilizations used plants and herbs as medicine. They meticulously documented their findings, creating extensive herbal compendiums that detailed the uses and benefits of various plants. Egyptians used honey and herbs for treatments. They were pioneers in the field, utilizing a variety of natural substances to treat wounds, infections, and other health issues. Chinese medicine used herbs and acupuncture. Their holistic approach combined physical treatments with herbal remedies, forming a comprehensive system of healing that is still in use today. These ancient practices were the foundation of modern medicine. They laid the groundwork for the development of more advanced medical techniques and pharmaceuticals. In medieval times, apothecaries emerged. They were early pharmacists, skilled in the art of preparing and dispensing medicinal compounds. They mixed and prepared medicines. Using tools like mortars and pestles, they created remedies tailored to the needs of their patients. Apothecaries had knowledge of herbs and their properties. They studied ancient texts and experimented with different combinations to find the most effective treatments. They played a crucial role in healthcare. Their expertise was invaluable, providing communities with access to essential medical care. They provided remedies for various ailments. From common colds to more serious conditions, apothecaries were the go-to source for medical advice and treatment. Their shops were important community hubs. People would visit not only for medicine but also for guidance and support in times of illness. The 19th century brought big changes. Chemistry advanced rapidly, leading to groundbreaking discoveries in the field of medicine. This led to the identification of active compounds in plants. Scientists began to understand the specific components that made certain plants effective as medicines. Scientists could now isolate and study these compounds. This allowed for more precise and effective treatments, moving away from the trial and error methods of the past. This marked a shift from traditional remedies to more standardized medicines. The ability to produce consistent and reliable medications revolutionized healthcare. Morphine was one of the first isolated compounds. Its discovery was a major milestone, providing a powerful tool for pain management. This discovery revolutionized pain management. For the first time, doctors had a reliable way to alleviate severe pain, improving the quality of life for countless patients. The pharmaceutical industry started to take shape. Companies began mass-producing medications, making them more widely available and affordable. This made treatments more accessible. People from all walks of life could now obtain the medicines they needed, leading to better overall public health. This period laid the groundwork for the modern pharmaceutical industry we know today. The advancements made during this time set the stage for future innovations. It was a time of significant transformation in how drugs were developed and used. The journey from ancient remedies to modern pharmaceuticals is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of better health. The Industrial Revolution brought mass production to medicine. Companies grew larger and more influential. They invested in research and development. This led to new drug discoveries and innovations. The pharmaceutical industry became a global enterprise. Names like Bayer, Merck, and Pfizer became synonymous with pharmaceuticals. These companies developed life-saving medications. They revolutionized healthcare. Antibiotics, vaccines, and insulin became widely available. They saved countless lives and improved human health dramatically. The industry's focus shifted towards synthetic drugs. These drugs were not found in nature. They were created in laboratories using chemical synthesis. This opened up new possibilities for treating diseases. Scientists could now target specific mechanisms in the body. However, this period also saw the emergence of some ethical concerns. Companies were accused of unethical marketing practices. There were concerns about drug safety and efficacy. The industry faced criticism for prioritizing profits over patient well-being. The mid-20th century saw remarkable breakthroughs in medicine. This era was marked by a series of discoveries that would change the face of healthcare forever. The discovery of penicillin was a game-changer. It was the first true antibiotic, and its impact was immediate and profound. It marked the beginning of the antibiotic era, a period where bacterial infections that were once fatal could now be treated effectively. Infections that were once deadly became treatable. Diseases like pneumonia, tuberculosis, and sepsis, which claimed countless lives, could now be controlled. This revolutionized healthcare and saved millions of lives. The success of penicillin paved the way for the development of other antibiotics, further enhancing our ability to combat infections. Vaccines emerged as another triumph. They were developed to provide immunity against a range of deadly diseases. They provided immunity against deadly diseases like polio and measles. Vaccination campaigns eradicated smallpox, one of the most devastating diseases in human history. They dramatically reduced the incidence of many infectious diseases. Public health campaigns ensured that vaccines reached people in every corner of the globe. This improved public health globally. The widespread use of vaccines has prevented countless outbreaks and saved millions of lives. The development of insulin was a major breakthrough for diabetics. Before its discovery, diabetes was often a fatal disease. It allowed them to manage their condition effectively. Insulin therapy transformed diabetes from a death sentence into a manageable chronic condition. Organ transplantation became a reality with the development of immunosuppressant drugs. These drugs were crucial in preventing the body from rejecting transplanted organs. These drugs prevented organ rejection, making it possible for patients to receive life-saving transplants. This opened up new possibilities for patients with organ failure. Organ transplants have since saved countless lives and improved the quality of life for many more. These medical breakthroughs had a profound impact on human health. They increased life expectancy and allowed people to live healthier, longer lives. They improved the quality of life for millions. Advances in pharmaceuticals have made it possible to treat and manage a wide range of conditions. The pharmaceutical industry played a pivotal role in these advancements. Through relentless research and innovation, they have brought new treatments to the market. It solidified its position as a crucial part of healthcare. The collaboration between scientists, healthcare professionals, and the pharmaceutical industry continues to drive progress in medicine. The pharmaceutical industry has achieved remarkable breakthroughs, but it has also faced criticism. One of the main concerns is the high cost of medications. Drug prices have skyrocketed, making life-saving treatments unaffordable for many. Developing new drugs is an expensive process involving years of research, clinical trials, and regulatory approvals. Pharmaceutical companies argue that high prices are necessary to recoup these costs and fund future research. However, critics argue that these companies often prioritize profits over patients, pointing to exorbitant CEO salaries and aggressive marketing tactics. The lack of transparency in drug pricing further fuels this debate. This issue raises important questions about affordability and access to healthcare, sparking debates about the role of government regulation and price controls. The high cost of medications remains a significant challenge, impacting patients and healthcare systems globally. The pharmaceutical industry's ethical practices have come under scrutiny. One major concern is the aggressive marketing of drugs directly to consumers. While informing patients about treatment options is important, critics argue that some companies engage in misleading advertising. The opioid crisis is a stark example of the consequences of unethical marketing practices. Pharmaceutical companies aggressively marketed highly addictive painkillers, downplaying the risks of addiction and overdose. This contributed to a public health emergency with devastating consequences. Another ethical concern is the influence of pharmaceutical companies on medical professionals. Companies spend billions on marketing to doctors. Critics argue that gifts, speaking fees, and other incentives can influence prescribing habits. This raises concerns about conflicts of interest and the potential for bias in medical decisions. Transparency is crucial to address these ethical concerns. Patients and doctors need unbiased information to make informed decisions. Strengthening regulations and promoting ethical marketing practices are essential for rebuilding trust in the pharmaceutical industry. Throughout its history, the pharmaceutical industry has produced drugs that have revolutionized medicine and saved countless lives. From the early days of drug discovery to the modern era of biotechnology, the journey of pharmaceutical innovation has been marked by groundbreaking discoveries and relentless pursuit of better health outcomes. These blockbuster drugs have left an indelible mark on human health and continue to shape healthcare today. They have not only provided cures and treatments but have also paved the way for new research and development, inspiring future generations of scientists and healthcare professionals. Penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928, ushered in the antibiotic era. This discovery was a turning point in medical history, as it provided a powerful tool to combat bacterial infections that were previously untreatable. This miracle drug, effective against a wide range of bacterial infections, transformed medical care, dramatically reducing mortality rates from infections that were once often fatal. Penicillin's success story is a testament to the impact of scientific research and the importance of continued investment in medical innovation. Insulin, isolated by Frederick Banting and Charles Best in 1921, was a game-changer for people with diabetes. Before its discovery, diabetes was often a death sentence, but insulin provided a lifeline, enabling patients to manage their condition effectively. This hormone, crucial for regulating blood sugar levels, allowed diabetics to manage their condition and live longer, healthier lives. The development of insulin therapy marked a significant advancement in endocrinology and opened new avenues for treating metabolic disorders. Vaccines like Jonas Salk's polio vaccine have had a monumental impact on global health. The introduction of vaccines has been one of the most effective public health interventions, preventing the spread of infectious diseases and protecting vulnerable populations. By conferring immunity against infectious diseases, vaccines have saved millions of lives and eradicated diseases like smallpox. The success of vaccination programs underscores the importance of immunization in achieving global health goals and preventing future outbreaks. These blockbuster drugs, alongside countless others, highlight the power of pharmaceutical innovation in improving human health. The continuous efforts in research and development have led to the discovery of new treatments and therapies, addressing a wide range of medical conditions and improving quality of life. They stand as testaments to the ingenuity and dedication of researchers and scientists working to combat diseases and alleviate suffering. The legacy of these medical breakthroughs continues to inspire and drive the quest for new solutions to the health challenges of today and tomorrow.